Chat. First game 11, don't forget. We here. Oh. Almost. I don't like it. Go, Ree boy. Oh, we got that. There it is. One time. Ah. Oh, give me that. Watch him. Don't come in here. You got that? Good look. That's a good look.
Tripping.
We'll take it.
Slow down, Ash.
Ooh, we gotta warm up.
Slow down, Ash. No worries, Stat. No worries.
Hey.
This the last one. That's your last point. That's your last point.
Okay, a little midi. Okay,
2-0.
a little midi. A little midi.
2-0. It's all good. It's all good.
Oh, no, make it take it.
Okay.
We gotta earn it.
Oh, no, they can take it?
Short.
Oh, God.
Three. Ah.
That one was going in.
Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah, put that up. In his face. Good take. We'll take it.
We'll take
it. Oh, no, make it
Wait,
take
hold
it.
on. Check up.
Hey, where we're from, we play make it take it. My bad. You're not. Nope. Foul. Check it.
Hey, what does 8 mean?
I know you gotta call foul. You guys call foul or no?
Switch
How
up
you play
one.
out here?
Switch
You
up
call
one.
foul?
Switch up one.
Yeah, bye.
Come on, man. Get big, baby.
Come here. Oh.
You got help.
Good pass.
Go.
Oh. That's one. Hurry, boy. That boy jumping 40 inches for a rebound. You gonna give me that? Disrespectful.
Against nobody.
Ah! I know, they're killing me. That's too deep. Ah.
That's on me.
You're good.
Ball.
What score?
3-1.
Who's up? The bad team?
Come here.
Ah,
Wow,
almost.
good call. Come on, baby. We gave y'all one. Good call, babe.
We gave y'all one. There it is. Good pass. Oh.
Yeah, good pass, baby. Good shot. My bad.
Good D,
My
good
bad. It's been a minute, bro. It's been a minute, Chad.
We gotta get our second win. No, we're not tired. We're just waiting for the second win. Go.
Shoot that ball. Shoot the ball, man.
Ooh.
Ah. It's hard, boy. With that win, boy, we outside.
Yeah. I gotta drop one.
Hey, hold on. Look. I need to come give you a screen. I'm gonna
Yeah.
come set you a screen. You roll off the screen,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna pass it over the top. Just go all the way to the basket.
Okay.
Let me show him how to do it. Give me.
Oh, oh.
Coach! You good?
Yeah. We're good. We're good. Watch your left. Watch your left. We're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. Oh yeah. Ah! You won't shoot that. He's not shooting it. He's not shooting it. He's not shooting it.
He's
Yeah. Guri, Guri. Good pass. Good pass. Good pass. Good pass. Oh,
They ain't even called a double.
they're big boy. Good pass. There it is. We need one. Oh. Oh.
Dang. All that.
Shoot it. Shoot it. He can't shoot. Let him shoot. Let him shoot.
Shoot that ball, man.
Oh. Ah, tough, tough. Tough. 4-1? All right, we got to turn up a little bit.
Vamos, muito bem. Come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, like that.
Oh!
Y'all gotta wait on check up, no? Y'all gotta wait on check, man. Y'all gotta wait on check, man.
Take that ball.
Chat, what they doing to us, bro? What they doing? I'm tripping. I'm tripping. You got me? Ah.
Almost. That was a good leg.
Yeah.
Shoot that. He don't got that. Oh, that's my bad. I didn't know he was a. Oh, not a kiss. Oh my God. We'll take it. Are we locking up now? Hey, we locking up now.
Hold on. Ah, ISO.
ISO. That's locks, boy.
Come here.
That's locks, boy. That's locks. Good D.
Big D. Shoot that ball. Shoot it. Yeah, good
I need one. Oh, win. Oh.
It's warming up.
Hey! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! What they talking about?
Hold on. My B. You got it.
Where we at? They got 6? They have 6?
First game, 16.
First last, 16. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Chat, where they at? Chat, where they at?
Oh.
We good.
I mean, bro, they got me out here guarding JB. You supposed to be in Morocco or somewhere on vacay. Come on. Good move. Solid. They put a monster team together.
Yeah, they did.
They try to cheat. Hey! They don't got no point though.
Keep practicing.
Hey, they don't got no. Hey, our point guard would have made that pass.
Easy.
Give him go. Good call, boy! Ah!
Oh my
Good call.
God.
He can't shoot.
in your face.
Ah,
That's on me.
you're good.
Chat, I blew it.
8-4? They just scored 6, right? Hey, you got front. Get that. Oh, don't drive on him. On your back. Oh, God, he's a pro. Hey. All right.
Come here.
We're going to warm up, though. Come on, boy. We need those.
Yeah.
Hey, we need those. Right. We're here. Yeah.
You can't do
Back
nothing.
Back up.
You can't do nothing.
Oh, that's logs,
You can't
boy.
do nothing.
No. Oh, you gotta say. I'm watching the big guy. I'm gonna watch him. He went to you because you can shoot.
I can't shoot. Don't worry about it.
You can't shoot. Shoot that ball.
Ah! Watch that corner. Stay up. Ah! They put the Monstars together. Hey! We need you.
Game 16. Come here.
Shoot it.
We let him shoot all day.
Ah! They got that teamwork. You got that chemistry.
They got that chemistry. It's something about Ghana, I think. Let me see.
Come here!
Y'all might as well let us keep ball.
Yeah, we can make layups. We can do that. Hey, we can do anything as layups. Good D! Huh? Ah. Ash? You got the other piece? These boys want to win bad. Boys getting physical.
That didn't work, brother.
Oh, I blocked that. Oh.
God dang.
I blocked that. I didn't know. Here. Boom. Get it back. Oh, you got it. Off. Go lay. Hey, we need to stop. We need like 2, 3, 4 stops. We only need like 3, 4. One stop. Too much. We got to take it back or no? Oh. We'll take it. What score? 14-8. And we only need like 6 stops. That's locks. 1-1. Ah.
That was not going nowhere, baby.
Oh. That's you? We need one.
That's 10.
Yeah.
That's 10.
Good hit, boy. 14-10, right?
Yeah, game 21. Right?
Huh?
Yeah, I forgot.
After. Oh, he got scared.
We let him shoot. Hey!
Short.
Slowly, but for sure. Chat, I got you on this one. Don't worry.
15-9.
Don't even worry about it. 10.
I do need to warm it up. I ain't gonna lie. I do need to warm it up. Where's the camp? Where's it? I do need to warm it up. I said that.
Don't tell him to shoot.
Tell me to shoot again.
Don't tell him to shoot.
I like it.
Don't say it no more.
Okay.
That's the last time. He know. He learned.
I told him, don't say it no more.
He learned. It's okay.
One more play.
Come on, where you at?
You're not hitting threes. Big boy. That's not going to work. Come here. Yeah. Oh, lucky.
I'm lucky.
You're good. Don't shoot that.
We let him shoot all day.
Don't shoot
He
that.
can do anything he wants to. If he got
Don't
the
shoot
ball,
that.
we winning. If he got
Don't
the ball,
shoot that.
we winning.
That's locked. Good D. Watch your back. Clear. Ah, good take. Not the ISO.
Too
That's what he
big.
said.
Too big?
Too big.
Okay, show him something.
Come on, I'm here. Come on.
That's not it. Pass it. Just pass it. Go ahead.
If he got the ball, we win.
Just pass it.
If he got the ball, we win. It's different. Come on, baby.
ISO. Oh, good pass.
Come here.
Good pass. That was a baby alley. That's what we call that. Shoot a three. Because you talking trash,
You
but you
can
haven't
let
hit
him
one.
shoot all day.
Oh, God.
Did you see that?
Nah, bro, that's his first one. Hey, he 1 for 9. That's up.
Oh, ball.
Come on,
Ball.
Cam.
My bad. My bad.
Why you hitting the chat? Hey, he's trying to get chat involved. Get it back. Easy one.
Come here. Too easy.
Go ahead, boy.
Too easy.
Go ahead. 17, 16? Yeah? We need one stop.
Get
You're not
rid of
hitting
it.
two. Choose a different spot. How
Get
about
rid
that?
of it. Pronto. Get rid of it.
You got to pass
Let
it
it
up.
go.
You got to pass it up. You 0 for 3. Not the stand up. Uh-huh. Hey, where's 5 seconds, Coach? Coach, where's 5 seconds? That was tough. I'm not gonna lie. That was great. Great defense. Better offense. It's better offense.
You got it. You got that one.
That was
You
tough.
got that one. You got that one. That was nice.
Almost.
That was terrible. Come on,
We need
Ash.
one stop. Oh.
19? 19? What?
Hey, we need a 3.
Leave him alone. He can't shoot.
That's ISO. Clear it out. Hey, you gotta try. Don't let him score every point on you. That's easy.
It's that American muscle.
Move him out the way.
That American muscle. Oh!
Oh! Hit that.
No, it's shaking.
Hey!
Come
It's
here.
shaking. Hit that.
Huh? I got the shot? Because I can't shoot.
We need a dunk, Ash.
Get that shot.
Ah. They got 2 bigs.
He baited me.
Bro, hey.
That's 20. That's 20.
Hey, hold on, Ash. You gotta put the shorts on.
Huh?
Shorts.
Put the shorts on now? Okay, say less.
Come here. Let them change, man.
I'll put the shorts on, chat. It's over. I was taking it easy, huh?
The
I
short.
was taking it easy.
Hey, listen.
YG.
I'm not gonna lie. They build different out here. They got that boy. That's a big boy.
No, I ain't got it. I ain't got it.
But we coming back. Hey, we had to warm up. They just had a full practice. Show over there. They're wearing shirts and everything. They're matching. We came out here in our Sunday's best. Hey, we came out here in our Sunday's best. These boys are ready. No, I'm about to give them a bucket. I'm about to give them.
Hey, how many World Cups has it been? How many World Cups has it been?
Oh, in total?
Yeah.
I don't know. We gotta look that up. How many World Cups total?
Thank you, bro.
Nah, I don't need no water.
Chat.
We don't need no water.
How many World Cups has it been? I think it's been like 25.
Let me get you.
Oh, 23?
Yeah, they started in 1930.
Hey, come on.
Hey, he's strong though. He's strong. I'm not gonna lie.
Listen.
Big boy.
Hey, listen.
Hey, who's next? Who's next?
It's been 23 World Cups. Game 23, bro. Come on, it's only right. Game 23, bro. Y'all got 20. Game 23. For the World
21,
Cup.
16?
Who team you on? No, where's the other guy?
How you subbing?
He's tired.
What?
It's one more bucket. Come on.
Put the thing on Tomar.
No,
Don't let us put
we
a
can't
Tomar.
do that. But next game. Next game, you finna go crazy.
We're about to sub
Look,
Tomar.
hey, look, we not going nowhere. Come
Hey,
on.
if they want to do subs, we can about to throw Tomar in the game.
Hey.
Put the thing on Tomar for a
Come
second.
on, come on.
Hey, playing around, boy.
Hey, he said chill. He said relax. Chat, he humble. He too humble. He said just chill. My guy's 6'9".
Good game, though.
We
Good
throw
game.
him in. See, we was being too friendly. We throw him in. It's the
Oh, my
no,
bad.
no. Look, it's 20. We're going
2016.
Huh?
2016.
We got 17.
Oh, 17.
We had 17.
Hey, 2017.
Oh, it's 16? You sure?
Coach, stop trying to.
I thought we had 17.
These coaches be trying to cheat, man. They're trying to cheat for their team, man.
Huh?
They're trying to cheat for their
Yeah,
team.
I know they are. That's what I'm saying.
Coach
we
want
got
to win,
17.
man. Hey, we need one.
We got 17.
Hey, y'all need to keep score, boy.
Come on. Let's get it.
Check it.